Sara, Deputy Leader of Opposition. Today our motion is that... Today our motion is that we should allow telemedicine and for-profit medical subsidiaries, and we strongly oppose to this motion. We have three reasons why. First, it is low quality of diagnosis, and if small hospitals will be out of business, and third, the prices will go up. First, I'm going to defend the extent of my argument, and then I'm going to refute to the government side. First, they argued that wrong diagnosis cannot be happened because they limit the disease they can treat with the telemedicine. However, this is not true because patients are not professionals, so they don't know is their disease or serious or not. And for example, the chronic is just dangerous as any other disease, perhaps more because there is no cure. So it is not. It is also there are possibilities of wrong diagnosis. And furthermore,
what information?
No, thank you. The density of population in Korea is very high, so we can find lots of hospitals around where you live. So it is actually better to go to these hospitals instead of getting to low-quality service with telemedicines. And our second main point was that small hospitals will be out of business, and they refuted that small businesses are always targeted. They are targeted in economic markets. However, small businesses are the base of our economic, that means that if all the small businesses collapse, then the economic will not be stabilized as well. Also, they said there will be no development. But however, we argue that the too much freedom can be harmful for economy because of unemployment. And our third main point.
Before we go on, more information. Okay. You said about small business going out of order, but I'd like to ask you how not implementing this policy will save small businesses. How not implementing this policy would secure small businesses.
Sorry, I didn't understand the question. Our third main point is that people have a nature of wanting to make more profit. And if we allow for-profit medical subsidiaries, doctors will work not to solve patients' problem, but to make more money. And for example, doctors will strongly advise surgeries when it is not necessary, and when it's not a big problem. That doesn't and surgery is expensive, and because surgery is expensive and doctors can make more money. They will trick patients to make more profit by making problems serious. When it is not actually serious. Also, when we allow supermarkets to sell basic medicines, pharmacists strongly opposed to this because their profit will decrease. We can see that doctors care more about earning money than people's health. So if we allow for-profit medicine subsidiaries, doctors will do things like I said before, such as surgery, so they can make more profit. Therefore, patients will not get better service, but only be tricked to get more money. Now I'm going to refute back to the government's argument. They talked about efficiency. However, as I told you before, this is not efficient because of high possibilities of the wrong diagnosis. And moreover, they said that it is also efficient to allow the for-profit medical subsidiaries. However, this is not true because, as they said, for-profit medical subsidiaries is for profit. And in rural places, there are not many people, which means they aren't going to be many patients and they can't make profit. If they can't make profit, who would want to make hospitals in rural places? And secondly, they argued that it is good for welfare. However, this is also not true because they said the hospitals are run like communism, which is, and the communism countries are run by welfare, which makes this argument fails. And then they argue about quality of the service. However, as I told you before in our main point 3, the quality will be low because they are only competing to make profit, not for the actually people's health. So therefore, they will just advise them to have surgeries or more medicines they need, not for their health. Today I talked about why we should not allow telemedicines and for-profit medical subsidiaries. And if you want to have safe healthcare, please vote for us. Thank you.